France is renowned for its rich cultural heritage, and its festivals are a vibrant part of that tradition. Here are some of the most notable cultural festivals celebrated in France. 1. Cannes Film Festival. One of the most prestigious film festivals in the world, the Cannes Film Festival showcases new films of all genres from around the globe. The event attracts celebrities, filmmakers, and critics, featuring red carpet events, film screenings, and awards, including the coveted Palme d'Or for the best film. Number 2. Avignon Festival, Festival d'Avignon. This is one of the oldest and most famous theater festivals in the world. The Avignon Festival transforms the entire city into a grand stage, featuring a wide range of performances including theater, dance, music, and visual arts. Performances are held in historic venues like the Cour d'honneur of the Papal Palace. 3. Fête de la Musique, Music Day. Launched in 1982, this free public event celebrates music of all genres and styles. On this day, both amateur and professional musicians perform in streets, parks, and public places across France. The festival aims to make music accessible to everyone and to promote musical diversity. Number 4. Bastille Day, La Fête Nationale. This national holiday commemorates the French Revolution and the storming of the Bastille prison in 1789. Festivities include military parades, fireworks, concerts, and parties. The largest and most famous parade takes place on the Champs-Élysées in Paris, attended by the President of France and other dignitaries. 5. Nice Carnival, one of the world's major carnival events. The Nice Carnival features vibrant parades with floats, giant puppets, and flower battles known as Bataille de Fleurs. The 2-week event also includes street performances, music, and masquerade balls, attracting thousands of visitors. 6. Lyon Festival of Lights, Fête des Lumières. This annual festival celebrates light in all its forms. Originating from a religious tradition, it has evolved into a major event featuring spectacular light installations and projections across the city's buildings, streets, and squares. It draws millions of visitors to admire the illuminated cityscape. 7. Jazz-a-Wan. This is one of the oldest jazz festivals in Europe, held in the picturesque setting of the Pinède Gould. The festival has hosted legendary jazz musicians like Louis Armstrong, Duke Ellington, and Miles Davis, offering a mix of traditional and contemporary jazz performances. 8. Courageux d'Orange, an opera festival held in the ancient Roman theater of Orange, known for its exceptional acoustics. The festival features operatic performances, classical concerts, and other musical events, drawing top international artists and opera lovers. 9. Festival Interceltique de Lorient. This festival celebrates Celtic culture and traditions from regions like Brittany, Scotland, Ireland, Wales, and Galicia. It features music, dance, and cultural events, including concerts, parades, and a wide variety of activities highlighting Celtic heritage. 10. Medieval Festival of Provins, Medievals de Provins, held in the UNESCO World Heritage Town of Provins. This festival transports visitors back to the Middle Ages with reenactments, jousting tournaments, medieval markets, and street performances. Participants and visitors often dress in period costumes, adding to the authentic medieval atmosphere. 11. Festival de Cornouailles, a celebration of Breton culture. This festival features traditional music, dance, and costumes. Highlights include concerts, parades, and the election of the Queen of Cornouailles. It's a vibrant display of regional heritage and traditions. 12. Hellfest Open Air Festival. One of Europe's biggest heavy metal festivals, Hellfest attracts metalheads from around the world. The 3-day event features a lineup of international metal bands, offering a variety of subgenres and a unique festival experience. 13. Festival d'automne à Paris, Autumn Festival. This contemporary arts festival includes theater, music, dance, and visual arts. It presents avant-garde works by international artists and explores new artistic trends, making it a key event in Paris's cultural calendar. 14. Les Vieilles Charrues, France's largest music festival. Les Vieilles Charrues features a diverse lineup of rock, pop, and electronic music. Held in the countryside, the festival attracts both international stars and up-and-coming artists, offering a lively and eclectic musical experience. 15. Fête du Citron, Lemon Festival. Celebrating the region's citrus production, this festival features parades with floats made entirely of citrus fruits, intricate fruit sculptures, and vibrant street performances. It's a colorful and fragrant celebration of local agriculture and creativity. 16. Reims Jazz Festival. This festival showcases a wide range of jazz styles, from classic to contemporary, featuring performances by renowned jazz musicians and emerging artists. It's a key event for jazz enthusiasts and takes place in various venues across Reims. 17. Carnival of Limoux. Known as the longest carnival in the world, it spans several weeks and features traditional music, masked dances, and street performances. The festival has roots in ancient pagan traditions and is celebrated with great enthusiasm by the local community. These festivals reflect the diversity and richness of French culture, offering a wide array of experiences from historical reenactments to cutting-edge contemporary arts. Whether you're interested in film, music, theater, or traditional celebrations, there's a festival in France that caters to every cultural taste.